Hey guys, I'm Tony. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you something to watch out for if you have like a slide out on your RV, and different ways you can prevent water from coming in and having a leak on your bump out. But before you get started, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So yesterday I was making some repairs to my RV and we had to bring the slide out in. So I'm on top of my roof right now getting all the pine needles out of the gutters and I'm sweeping it all off. Roof maintenance is huge in RVs. You want to look a couple times a year for any tears in the roof. Take care of them right away if there are. Definitely make sure you clean out all of your gutters. I usually use like a little flathead screwdriver and go along in mine because the small gutters, they clog easy. But what I wanted to show you is be careful of the seals on like your bump outs. So there's a seal here. I had to bring this bump out in yesterday to level the trailer, and the seal you can see right here, it kind of rolled in and it's tucked under. So I'm going to clean off all these pine needles and we'll pull the seal out and you'll see what it looks like. Okay, so now that I have all the heavy stuff off of my bump out, I'm going to go down, undo this gasket. So it's all like tucked in. So get your hand under there, pull it out. You know, if there's any debris, you're going to get dirty, but sweep it all out of there so that it makes a good seal. Okay, so you can see that I have the gasket rolled back out, and that's what it should look like. It should be nice and flush the whole way down your bump out. You may or should also have an inner gasket. So if you stick your hand up under the gasket, you should be able to feel another flap in there if your trailer has it. Make sure that's untucked as well, and if there's debris under it, like pine cone sticks, you may have to bring the slide out in a little bit and clean it out from the inside, then bump it back out. You're going to want to make sure that those two gaskets, if you have to, are out all the way, that they have a good seal on the bump out so the water doesn't get in and cause water damage inside your camper. So I hope you like this video, just something to watch out for. I like to pass these tips along. Don't forget to subscribe.